When installing behind a PDL600 series switch plate, use the supplied application template with notches on the short edge. This template provides 4 surface mount positions for the Smartlink cable between ribs and protrusions on the switch plate. Various configurations of PDL600 series switch plates are available. Not all configurations have the 4 Smartlink connection positions free of obstructions. Check the back side to find the best positions for the Smartlink connection before installing. Screw the template onto the flush box. It is possible to paint directly over the template, but for best results and to avoid any bleeding of coatings, the use of masking tape over the templated area is preferred as shown in this video. Mark around the edge of the template, including the notch selected for the Smartlink position. Remove the template and mask out the area with good quality masking tape. Mask around the notch position or carefully cut and remove a section of tape to expose the substrate. Apply Smart Touch conductive coating into the notched area with a brush, then coat the whole active area using a resin No. 1 or 4 roller sleeve and allow to dry. Cover the smooth face of the connector pad with Smart Touch conductive coating. Press it onto the wall surface and secure with the supplied pins. Make sure the connection pad is securely pushed onto the surface and there is no pressure on the connection point. To avoid coating the wire, push it inside the flush box. Taping the wire to the inside of the flush box is recommended as support. Apply Smart Touch conductive coating over the connection and apply a second coat to the active area, then allow to dry. 3 coats will be required if using the No. 4 sleeve. When removing the masking tape, take care not to loosen the connection point. After the connection is dry, a piece of mastic tape should be stretched over the connection and into the flush box to provide the final durable connection. Firmly press the switch plate into position to check mastic is located away from any ribs or protrusions on the switch plate. If an impression in the mastic is created by protrusions, cut away this excess to leave the finished connection. If this last step will be carried out by the electrician, using mastic supplied with the electronic controller, make sure the Smartlink cable is temporarily taped to the inside of the flush box as protection from damage.